So welcome back to the channel. Jumping straight in today. On the last video we were getting this bit welded up here. I'm just going to get this bit here welded in. I don't know if you remember, I was saying that I'd rather just do it in parts instead of doing the whole panel, because it's getting this shape and that and going out of shape as you weld it. That's the plan. I'm just going to get that welded in there. Let's crack on. I think just get this bit done. And I think there's another bit here I've got to so there's another bit here I've just got to sort of modify here to get into this bit. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So let's go. Let's go. there you go, it's all completed, all done, all smoothed off. Really pleased with that. So all this side is now completely done, so I'm going to get all this out and clean the rest of this up, give this all a primer, and then I'm going to go on to the other side. I'll get the other rear floor pan out and just show you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut the worst out of that floor, clean that up and see what we're playing with. But I think that's just that back bit is going to need doing, and that rear corner, and hopefully the rest will clean up. So that's the plan. So let's go and get that out, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. We are now on the other side. As you can see here, it's pretty bad here, so I am going to cut. I mean, I started cleaning up before, I started to go a bit rusty, but I can get that back up. I think I'm going to come across here and cut this whole section out and replace this whole bit here. And this bit will be replaced here at the back here, but that looks pretty solid there. We won't know until we start getting it off, but so that's the plan. So I think this will come up all good, so I'm going to keep all this hopefully in here. Maybe this bit has to be replaced, I don't know. I've still got to do the lip underneath of this section here anyway, but I'll show you what I've been doing. It's absolutely messy as hell in here. But anyway, so I've been doing this, I've cleaned all this up. As you can see, I'm going to put a little bit of metal in here. I'm going to quickly do that off camera, so that bit's done. So then I can then cut this out and marry it up with the other one. But I've managed to get all these nice and flat here. Really pleased with this actually. And all the back bit's good. I've cleaned all this up as well. That's all good. And the only thing is, this bit here ain't great. So I think what I'm going to do is cut all this out, get it in position, rebuild this section here first to get that nice curve on it, and then I'll concentrate on putting this another section in this bit here. So there you go, that's all welded in. I thought I'd just crack on with this and get this done. I've just got to smooth this bit off down here, but that's all there ready now for the seal to go on to attach to the bottom of that, and inside the floor pans, and that will attach to this bit on the other side. But what I'll do is I'll show you on the other side, and I will show this other bit actually, because I stented quite a lot on this corner. You can't really see it, how bad it actually is, until you sort of get inside it. But yeah, this has got to come off, and then I'm going to straighten this bit back out, and then when the new floor pan goes in, I'll be able to put them there nice, and that should be all nice and straight. So I'm just going to quickly go inside and show you the other bit of the inside of the car. So as you can see, I have sort of separated this floor pan away from the inner seal, so I could get all that bit welded in. As you can see down there, I welded it all the way across and all the way down there. I'm trying not to get a shadow in there, but you can see it down there. So that was all done to get this floor pan all welded in and stuff. So, and as you can see down here, it's pretty rotten like before. And the other one on the other side over there, I had to rebuild that bit there, so I left this bit sort of hanging on the top here before I could weld it all up. But what I will do as well is get this bit, this lip done. I'm not going to go too bad and cut it up here this time. I'm going to try and keep it as low as I can and just get this lip on there, tacked in there and welded up. So that's the plan. But yeah, I'll say, like I say, I'm going to have to cut this bit out here as well and weld this bit up. But I really want to sort of save it as it sort of is, if we can. So, but if we can't, we can't. Where's it? I've also got the other panel that I've already shown you already. So I've just got to cut like round that bit out where that line is, and then get that bit sort of in, and then I can see what I'm playing with, really, to be honest. And we'll go from there. But like I say, that has got to come out. As you can probably see, that bit now I'm showing you there, sort of risen up there, so that's going to have to be pushed down once that other panel's out, and then I can get that other floor pan at the front and get that in place, and then we can just tack it, then we can just sort of tack it in place and then spot weld it all in, and we are getting there. I mean, the floor's good. I mean, look at the other one, I'm loving the other one, apart from I've got to clean it all up and get all that rubbish out of the metal over there. But it's getting there, it's getting there. I'm really making some progress. It's getting close. I've got a few more bits to do. So I've got that bit at the back there still to do. I'm going to replace it with this one like I did on that side. Also got to do some bits down there, rolled up in the rear arches, both sides, and obviously the rear arches have got to be replaced as well. So we'll get around to doing that. Spilt me rust proven stuff again all over the floor. So that's, yeah, it's all over the floor. So yeah, I've done really well with that. So that's what we're going to do. So on the next video, we'll get that other rear floor pan, which I've cleaned up, and get that cut out and lay that over the other bit of the floor so we can see what we need to cut out, and then we'll build that lip back up and hopefully get that all intact in place. But there is a boat video coming out in the next few days, so keep your eyes out if you really want to watch that. So thanks for the comments, thanks for coming back, like and subscribe if you haven't already, get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.